Hi guys!
Hi guys!
We are here today to vlog about Caleb's toys. Yeah, what toys are we gonna vlog today?
Minecraft toy.
Okay, show them your Minecraft toys.
This is Steve.
This is Steve.
The
Wow.
diamond armor with the diamond sword.
Wow, I like the color. What
But
color is that?
But when you tangle his head, he got baldy.
What?
He got baldy.
You got baldy?
He's
Oh,
baldy.
sige nga. Oh, show them how you tangle the head.
The tangle the back.
Oh.
See, baldy.
Baldy, what?
You think he's not baldy because he got hair, but he's
Show them the hair in front. So see, he got hair in front. But when you put on top, he's baldy.
Yeah, that's correct, right?
Okay, and then I think you have another toy that you want to vlog. Correct?
Yes.
Who's the other toy that you want to vlog?
Is Zombie Steve with the netherite armor.
Is also Steve.
Yes.
Zombie Steve. Okay,
He
show them.
became a zombie.
Show them Zombie Steve. Show them. Really.
This is Zombie Steve.
Oh, this is Zombie Steve.
And look at the back, because when you see the back, you'll see green stuff.
Oh,
And so is a zombie.
I like his helmet.
Yeah.
Look at his. Show them the helmet of Zombie
And
Steve.
I'll show you close range of this.
Oh.
This.
This is his death sight.
Yeah, this is his death sight.
Oh, okay. And then I like this. What color is this, Steve? Is this the good Steve?
That's the good Steve, and this is the one is turning bad because he's turning a zombie.
What?
Yeah.
He turned into a zombie. So is he immortal or not?
He can die, but then he still have the netherite armor. He's infinite. But when you shoot,
Show it to them.
but when you
What do you call his armor?
netherite,
Netherite armor. How about this armor? What is this?
diamond armor.
Diamond armor. Okay, so guys, remember that. Diamond armor, and this one is netherite armor. Okay.
Correct.
So they're both Steve,
Yes.
but the other one is zombie.
And there's a girl. On
The-
downstairs.
There's a girl downstairs.
Yes.
Who's that girl?
I don't know what's his name because because that's a character from Minecraft.
Okay, so let's vlog the girl next time.
Okay.
Do you have anything else to say to them?
Like and subscribe.
Yay! Like and subscribe to Caleb's channel. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Till next video. Yay!